Okay, so I made a hot dog trail for my dog because I have no life. Here it is. It's like hot dogs. Well, little pieces of hot dogs. Coming all the way here. And the last one is right here. So here we go. I locked him in the closet. So hopefully he follows the trail. Alright. Go ahead. Perfecto. Right here. Right here. Good boy. Right here. Right there. Right there. Right there. Right there. Right here. Right there. Right there. You just moved it. Yeah, go ahead. Well, you're going the wrong way. But go ahead. One more. Right there. Right here. Right there. Right there. Here, look. Here, look. Good boy. Last one. Right here. Go ahead. Good boy. Go ahead. Eat it. You don't want it? Here. Come on. Good boy. Alright. Come on. Come on. No, come on. Ooh. Come on. Come on. Good boy. Alright, so, yeah. He failed, but still he's a good doggy. I love you. I love you. Okay. Bye, guys.